Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon button for regular updates. So today our topic is blood. We will study the different components of blood and its functions. So as you all know, blood is a connective tissue because it connects the different organ systems of the body by transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, etc. It is sticky fluid with salty taste. Dear students, while watching video, you can make short notes in your notebook. Blood contains fluid matrix, plasma, formed elements. Fluid matrix is the fluid present in the blood which is useful in the transportation of several nutrients. Plasma. Plasma is straw colored constituting 55% of the blood. This plasma is made up of 90 to 92% water, 6 to 8% proteins, minerals, clotting factor. And if clotting factor is absent in plasma, then it is called serum. So, I have told you that plasma contains 90 to 92% water and 6 to 8% proteins. So, you must know which proteins are present in plasma. So, the three major proteins present in plasma are fibrinogen, globulins and albumins. Fibrogen protein is produced by the liver and found in the plasma. The protein fibrogen are needed for clotting or the coagulation of blood. Globulins. Globulins are a group of proteins in your blood. They are made in liver by our immune system. They play an important role in liver function, blood clotting and mainly defense mechanism. If you have a globulin test and if the globulin levels is low, then it can be a sign of liver or kidney disease. And whereas if there are high level of globulin, then it may indicate infection or immune disorder. Last major type of protein found in plasma is albumins. Albumins help in osmotic balance. Osmotic balance means that the concentration of electrolytes and non-electrolytes are maintained. The third main component of formed element. So, the formed elements constitutes erythrocytes, also known as red blood cells or RBCs, leukocytes, also known as white blood cells or WBCs, platelets, also known as thrombocytes. So, erythrocytes. Erythrocytes are also known as red blood cells or RBCs. A healthy man has on average 5 millions to 5.5 millions of RBCs millimeter per cube of blood. RBCs are biconcave in shape. They are formed in red bone marrow of bones. RBC's average lifespan is 120 days. After 120 days, they get destroyed in spleen. Spleen is also known as graveyard of RBC. The three important points which should be kept in mind about erythrocytes or red blood cells are: its formation is in red bone marrow, lifespan is 120 days, get destroyed in spleen. Do you know why they are red blood cells? Obviously because of its color, which is red. They have a red colored iron containing complex protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin get combined in blood and hence play a very significant role in the transportation of respiratory gases. A healthy individual has 12 to 16 grams of hemoglobin in every 100 milliliter of blood. And if hemoglobin is lesser than that, then a disease called anemia and the person is said to be anemic. The second type of formed element is leukocytes. Leukocytes are further divided into granuleukocytes and agranuleukocytes. Granuleukocytes are further divided into neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. And agranuleukocytes are divided into lymphocytes, monocytes. Lymphocytes are again divided into B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. You can make this diagram in your notebook. So leukocytes. The second formed element is leukocytes, which is also known as white blood cells or WBCs. They are known as white blood cells because of its white color due to the lack of hemoglobin. So the leukocytes are further divided into granuleukocytes and agranuleukocytes, and granuleukocytes are further divided into neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. So talking about the neutrophils, they are phagocytic cells. Phagocytic cells means they destroy foreign organisms entering in our body. Second type of granuleukocytes is eosinophils. Eosinophils resist infection. Resist मतलब विरोध करना. Eosinophils resist infections and are also associated with allergic reaction. Basophils secrete hormones such as histamine, serotonin, heparin, etc. Heparin is a naturally occurring blood thinning substance. If your basophil level is low, it may be due to some allergic reaction. If you develop an infection, it may take longer time to heal. After that, I have told you about the second main category of WBCs, that is agranuleukocytes. Agranuleukocytes are further divided into lymphocytes and monocytes, and lymphocytes are again divided into B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. So, the B lymphocytes and the T lymphocytes, these both are produced in the bone marrow. They both are responsible for immune responses of the body. Second type of agranuleukocytes are monocytes. Monocytes are also a phagocytic cell, which means it destroys foreign organisms entering in our body. The third formed element are platelets. Platelets are also known as thrombocytes. These are cell fragments produced from special cell in the bone marrow, and the name of that special cell is megakaryocytes. Platelets can release a variety of substances which are involved in the coagulation or the clotting of the blood. If the platelet count decreases in our body, then there is clotting disorders, which will lead to excessive loss of blood from the body. So that's all about blood and its components. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and to share my channel. Subscribe and press the bell icon button for regular updates. Keep supporting, keep motivating.